Good evening, sir.
So, good evening all. Good evening all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
How was your yesterday's test?
Sir, can you discuss the question paper?
Yes. Yes, how was the question paper yesterday? How was your exam?
Easy, sir.
Easy, sir.
So only one of the questions was wrong, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Even I feel it's one.
We will discuss. We'll discuss.
So question number 6.
One second, I'm just.
Sir, I feel it is question number 3. Okay.
Yes, sir. Question number 3.
So 6 side.
So because 9.
Wrong. No, 3 is wrong, I think. 3.
Yes, sir. 19 3 is a 57, but there is no 57 in the options.
Yeah, sir.
Yes. What is the answer of the first question? Chords of a circle equidistant from the center is equal.
Equal.
Very simple.
Equal.
So, what is the answer of the second question?
Sir, option B.
So
130.
option B,
130.
In the figure, O is the center of the circle, and the measure of the ABC is 100 degrees. Guys, it is looking like 1000, but it should be like a degree here. Okay, so it is 100. Okay, 100 degrees. So, like you might have understood that.
136.
The measure of ABC is what? 130. And next, third question. This is the question.
Yes, sir. Here is the mistake question.
Okay, what is the answer?
So it should be 57 degrees. 19 3 sir.
Yes, sir. 19 3 is 57.
19 is 57, but 59 given, 58 given. Okay, no problem. Okay, no problem.
So that's why I left that question, sir.
Okay, guys, look at this. If you find any mistake while writing the exam, you text me immediately. And what is the answer you are getting? Text me immediately so that we can change the option. We'll pose the question. So if I ask you to choose the B option, which means like 58 given, but I'll consider that as a 57 and give the marks to you. You understand? But yeah, I
Yes,
should have
sir.
changed that, but no problem. Okay, we'll not consider this question. Okay, we'll change it. This is 50.
Sir, I messaged you for the test, but you said to leave it, sir. That's why I left.
Acha, you only texted that, yeah. But that time, yeah, next time you do that. So here APB, look at here, APB, sorry, BPC given that 19 degrees, APB, and
Yes, sir. Same doubt. This should be 50.
19 plus 19 plus 19, 30, 57. Yes. So I'll give the marks. Next question. I mean, I'll give the marks in the sense. Okay, I'll give the marks. No problem. Those who have, how many of you chose the B option there? If you choose B option,
Sir, me.
it might
I have
be.
chosen.
Yeah, you might be.
Sir,
No,
me
but I
both,
didn't
sir.
choose any option,
So
sir.
it was closest to 57. That's it.
Yeah. So if you choose a 58, it might have shown correct you. But no problem.
Sir, but I didn't choose any option, sir.
No problem. I'll give the mark.
Choose any option. Sir, this question will not be counted, right?
Yeah. I'll not count that. I'll give for 76. 100%.
Okay. Thank you.
Fourth question. The perpendicular distance of a chord 8 centimeter distance from the center of a circle. Very simple. How many have you done this? Perpendicular distance of a chord.
Sir, it's going to be 3 centimeters, sir.
Yes, 3
Sir,
centimeters.
yes, sir.
How many have you got 3 centimeters here? Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
So can you once explain?
Yeah. देखो इधर क्या दिया है? 1 second. Piyush is joining again. Why?
So
The
this one has less back.
Okay. 1 second. This is a circle here. Okay. The perpendicular distance of a chord. Perpendicular distance of a chord 8 centimeter long. Chord कितना दिया? 8 centimeter long. Okay. Perpendicular distance from the center. तो center इधर है.
5 centimeter.
A circle. And radius is what? This is my radius. This is a radius. ठीक है 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. ठीक है. What is asking us a perpendicular distance? This is what we need to find out here. We need to find OP. This is center. Let's say that. इसे कुछ भी एक point ले लो इधर. And we need to find OP here. That's it. Let's say that I have chord X and Y. I need to find OP now. I know for finding OP what I need to do beta. Pythagoras theorem.
Yes, sir. Pythagoras.
So 5 square is equal to this perpendicular distance with this will be 4 and this will be 4. ठीक है. So 4 square plus OP square. तो कितना? 9 is equal
No,
to
sir. No, sir. That's not the hypotenuse, right?
which is not the hypotenuse.
OP.
We need to find OP. So that is what I'm saying. Beta. OP square is equal to 25 minus 16.
No, sir. Okay. Yes, sir.
OP is equal to square root of 9. OP is equal to 3 centimeters. ठीक है. So that is why. Clear? Yes, 3 centimeters is the right answer. Any doubts? Make it fast.
No, sir. No doubts.
Next question. So AB is a chord of a circle. How many of you got this question? AB is a chord of a circle with a radius R. If P is any point of the circle such that AP is a right angle, then AB is equal to what?
So it should be 2R because
Yes, sir, because 3R is not possible,
Angle
R is not possible, and R square is not possible.
yes, sir.
Exactly.
Angle subtended by a semicircle is 90 degrees, sir, and diameter is the chord, right? So
The
it can-
diameter is the longest chord and it is 2R.
Yes,
So
sir.
nothing can be more than 2R.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. How many have you done, beta?
I have done this, sir.
Everyone? See.
So 93% of the people made it.
Me
correct.
circle is a what? देखो, if I talk about AB is a chord of a circle with radius R, P is any point on the circle such that PB is a right angle triangle, then yeah, right only. AB is equal to what? 2 times of R. Very simple. Next question. How many of you done with the 6th question? A line that intersects. Any doubts with the 5th question, guys? If any doubts, please raise your voice and ask the doubt. So a line that intersects a circle in 2 distinct points is a what?
Secant.
So secant.
Sir, isn't this a chord?
Look at this here. What? Try to understand the question. देखो. Line intersect. This is a line on a circle in 2 distinct points, 2 different points. Diameter it is not at all possible.
No, sir.
Uh,
Unless it's
chord.
in the middle.
Radius not possible.
No, sir.
Chord. What is chord? Chord का मतलब क्या होता है? What do you mean by chord, guys?
Sir, line which is drawn between any 2 distinct points.
Look at this.
So it should be
So
chord,
that's
right?
not a chord.
It should be a secant.
So by a secant.
How many of you? What do you call that? How many of you done this question correctly?
Me, sir. Sir, it's secant.
So Mohit, sir.
Very good. मैंने आपको क्या
So how
बताया
many
था?
secants?
देखो मैंने क्या बताया था आपको? Look at this. Let me explain.
Sir, it intersects at 2 points, right?
Yes,
sir?
yes.
But also in NCERT textbook also we have the same definition.
Yes. Look at this. Let me draw the diagram so that आपको समझ में आएगा. मैंने बताया था definitions, all the definitions. ठीक है? This is the diameter, and this is my chord. ठीक है? Secant is nothing but what? This is my secant here. ठीक है? it goes, it touches the circle at two distant points and goes. Secant का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, but he just asked intersects. He didn't say it has to cut through it.
Sorry.
So he just said intersects. He didn't say it has to cut through it.
A line that intersects a circle in two distinct points.
So the chord does the same thing, right?
How come chord is the same thing? Chord can't be the same thing. Chord and secant both are different here. Chord and this thing is both are chord and secant both are different. Why? Look at this here. And मैंने ये भी बताया था आपको. Once again,
A
I'll come
line
back.
segment which joins two distinct points of a
Yes.
circle is called
ये
chord.
tangent. ये tangent होता है. And look at this here. हाँ. Look at this a line whichever intersecting a circle at two distinct points is a secant. I have two distinct points. Look at this, intersecting a circle. Intersecting a circle means touching the circle. And look at this, chord is nothing but what? Chord is nothing but what?
So line segment joining two
Sorry,
distinct.
and this is my chord. Okay, this is my chord, this is my secant. Then what is my answer should be? Secant should be my answer. This is my diameter, this is my center, this is my tangent. Okay, so he's asking a line that intersect a circle in two distinct points. Intersecting. All right, intersecting. And chord will not go forever. So chord will stop like this. Okay, this is a chord. Secant ऐसे जा सकता है बाहर. ठीक है. So what I told, a line which is intersecting a circle at two distinct
Yeah,
points
sir. Okay.
is a intersecting at two distinct points is a secant I told. Chord का मतलब क्या होता है? उधर सर्किल पे रहता है. ठीक है. हाँ. The degree measure of the semicircle. बताओ कितना सिंपल है कुछ. ये लड्डू सा सवाल. अरे भाई डिग्री मेजर सेमीसर्किल 180 तो
180.
इतना सिंपल है. वेरी सिंपल.
Yeah, so simple.
Basic. The region between an arc and the two radii joining the center of the end point of the arc is called as what?
Sector.
The sector.
Very simple question. The
Sector.
region between an arc and the two radii joining
Sir,
the center.
once can you draw a diagram and show this?
Arc, this arc, two radii. ठीक है? The region between an arc and the two radii
Yeah, yes, sir, yes.
joining the center, end points. This is if I take this as an arc,
So that area will be sector.
if I take these 2 points of this arc, end points of the arc, look at this here. This arc, this is a area. Okay, next question. Hope it is clear. Everyone, guys. Children.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Two circles, radii 5 centimeters, 3 centimeters intersected to 2 points, and the distance between their centers is 4 centimeters. Length of the common chord is what? Very simple. Already we have solved in this type of question, isn't it? We have solved. We have solved this type of question, guys. How many have you done? Look at this diagram. First, try drawing the diagram. देखो मेरे पास क्या है? 2 circles है. This is one circle. This is one circle. ठीक है? They are अच्छा intersecting, right? Intersecting like this. ठीक है? हाँ. तो radii 5 centimeters. This is my center. This is my center. ठीक है? And this का center कितना होता है? 5 centimeter. And radii इसका center कितना होता है? 3 centimeter. ठीक है? Okay. This is 5 centimeter. This is 3 centimeter. At the 2 points and the distance between the centers is 4 centimeters. This center and this center कितना हो गया? 4 हो गया. ठीक है? This is what he has given. ठीक है?
So how's the 3 centimeter one a radii if it's not touching its end of a circle?
I did not touch, but it should touch. देखो, it should touch the circle like this. ठीक है? हाँ. now it is correct, right? It should touch the sir. Radius का मतलब क्या होता है? से from center
Sir,
से
the point of intersection is a bit above, right? That's why maybe it looks like that.
sorry.
So the point of intersection between the two circles is a bit above.
Let
So it
me,
looks like
yeah, you're right. So
yeah,
मुझे
it's not touching.
yeah, so 3 सेंटीमीटर और 5 सेंटीमीटर, तो एक बड़ा सर्किल होना चाहिए, एक छोटा सर्किल, तो आपको समझ में आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Now सॉरी यार, इंटरसेक्टिंग बोल रहा है ना, तो मुझे 2 points जिससे मुझे 4 सेंटी द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉमन कॉर्ड. ठीक है, मुझे थोड़ा ये कुछ भी ऐसा मान लो भाई. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट गुड एट डायग्राम्स, आई एम सॉरी. चलो देखो, दिस इज व्हाट गिवन. देखो इधर से सेंटर से ये लेता हूँ. ठीक है, दिस इज माई सेंटर. कुछ भी मान लो, x मान लिया मैंने. इसका सेंटर कुछ भी y मान लिया. ठीक है, दिस इज 5 गिवन, दिस इज 3 गिवन, एंड दोनों के बीच में डिस्टेंस कितना दिया है? 4 सेंटीमीटर. ठीक है, एंड this is what he has given, isn't it? Isn't it? इसको कुछ भी मान लो, z मान लिया मैंने, z x y z points.
Here we have to find like
or else
from
इसको
Z
मान लो,
and the second
देखो
point,
or else look at this here, ये point and it will be this point,
yes,
right?
sir. We
Let us
need
say
to
that
find that
A,
distance.
D. So we have to find what? The length of the common chord. This is my common chord होता है. ठीक है, this is a common chord. The length of the AB I need to find out, isn't it? This is what the diagram is all about. And guys, look at this. This is a right angle triangle here. This is a right angle. The right angle, it makes 90 degrees. ठीक है. So here AX is 5, AY is 3, and XY is 4 centimeters. Okay. Here मुझे पता है XY is perpendicular to AB chord, which means what? तो ये दो like half of the so this point, let us take this point, कुछ भी ले लो.
Sir, that's a
You have to
bisector,
find the
right?
height of one and double it.
तो
Sir-
xm is equal to my. ठीक है.
Sir, what you drawn is a bisector, right?
Yeah, xy is a perpendicular.
How do you know HM is equal to HY?
No. Wait. xy is perpendicular to AB, right? So which means here, wait. xy is equal to, not xy, x क्या होता है? xm is equal to, xm is equal to,
The perpendicular drawn from center bisects the chord, right?
हाँ, perpendicular drawn from the center, it is bisect the chord. तो मुझे ये क्या होगा बेटा? देखो मुझे बताइए, xm is equal to what? xm is equal to what? half of the AB. Can I look? There is a theorem called perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ. And this can be written as MB. MB also correct. Here XM is equal to AXM is equal to half of the AP. Why? Perpendicular from the center bisect the chord. That is what we have learned. Then if it is 4 and here MB is also equal to, so half of the AB. So मुझे क्या पता चल जाएगा इधर? So I don't know that. So here xy is equal to 4, I know that. xy is equal to 4, I know. Okay. xy is equal to 4, we know, isn't it? What is my? 4 minus इसको कुछ भी मान लो, मैंने मान लिया k. ठीक है, this distance I don't know, right? Let us say the k centimeter. So 4 minus k. आया समझ? Yes or no? People try to understand this carefully here. This distance I took it as k बेटा. ठीक है, my is equal क्या होगा? my is equal क्या होगा? 4 minus k, isn't it?
Yes, sir. But sir, instead of doing that, we can just directly find the area and then equate it to the other area formula, half into b into h, and then we can find the height.
That is also correct. So if you do this, guys, if you do this, what do you get here? RQ is equal to 4 minus k. Okay. So if you take this triangle, which triangle? Triangle AMY. AMY triangle. So denote with the capital letters, guys. I wrote small letters there. AMY. Okay. AMY. If from this triangle, what is my hypotenuse? Or you take this triangle, or else you take this triangle. A क्या होता है? Diagrams AMX में, तो I know that hypotenuse square AX square is equal base square MX square plus height square AM square. ठीक है, तो AX square how much?
Sir,
25.
AX is 3.
AX is 5 there. Look at this. MX is how much? 4. So 16. So AM how much? AM how much? 3. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
So this is going to be 3, guys. This length is going to be, the black color length is going to be 3. Guys, diagram is somewhat small. Do you want me to draw somewhat big diagram, or fine? Are you able to understand?
So
we can understand, sir. It's
Sorry?
we're able to understand, sir. It's fine.
Yes, yes. So I got AM, right? I got AM value. So if I take this triangle, AMY triangle, if I take this AMY triangle, what is, I know now. So what is MY? Sorry, AY square is equal to MY square plus AM square. AY how much? 9. MY how much? MY how much?
So 4 minus y whole square.
4 minus
4 minus k, sir. Yes,
k
sir.
whole square. So AM how much? AM 9.
Yeah.
Isn't
Plus
it?
9.
So what are you going to get now?
So just 16 minus.
Sorry.
Yeah, y and y get cancelled, right?
Y and Y, yeah. 9 and 9, right?
Sorry, 9
Nine,
and
nine,
9,
sir.
I mean, sir. Sorry. Yes,
So
sir.
4
So 4
minus
minus
k,
3 whole square.
k is equal to what? 0. ठीक है? Sorry, 4. My bad. K is equal to 4, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, k is equal to 4 मिला मुझे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ. तो
Sir,
k
I'm ready to square those, sir.
But already it is given x, y is 4, right? Sir, I'm not understanding, sir.
sorry,
Sir, I'm unable to understand, sir. How is it?
which one?
How is 4 minus k is equal to 0, sir?
How
There's
many?
that 4 minus 3 whole square, right?
No,
So we
अरे
do whole square.
भाई, बेसिक look at this. इसमें कुछ नहीं है, इसमें कुछ नहीं. देखो इधर आपको ऐसे 9 got cancel. You understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ देखो, आपको ऐसा नहीं समझ में आ रहा है. देखो 9 minus 9 is equal to 4 minus k whole square. तो
Yes.
0 is equal to 4 minus k whole square. ठीक है? Isn't it? So
Yes.
now 4 minus k is equal to square root of 0. 4
Yes, sir.
minus k is
So,
equal to
one second, sir. Sir, here we got AM is equal to 3, right? Already. Then why are we doing this again, sir?
For finding k value,
Okay.
we need k value, right?
So why, sir?
For finding the common chord, if I for
Sir,
finding
because already we found AM is equal to 3, so we can just double it, right?
yeah, exactly. That is also correct. We can double that. So AM is equal to 3, then yeah, you can find it. 6 is the answer. That is also correct.
Yes,
Option-
sir, but okay.
Yeah, that is absolutely right. As you told, that is also correct. So look at this here. So after, I'm just telling you in a brief way. Okay, telling in a brief way. So K is equal to 4 I got. K is equal to 4.
XMB, right?
Sorry.
Sir, you could take the triangle XMB, right?
XM, which triangle? XM?
B, sir. You could join it.
Yeah, you can take that as well. So here, but you don't know MB, right? You don't know MB value. You know AM, so that, you know, it will be 3. So, see here, if you know AM better, as Piyush said that, you know, what we need to find out here? The MB length is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. That is also correct.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so currently we are finding X for what reason, sir?
Currently, we are finding.
Sir, we are finding the K value, right? Like for what?
For
Find
finding K value. Acha, good question. We are finding the K value there, right? So again, look at this here. I can take this triangle. Which triangle? If I find K value, I can substitute here. Look at this here, M by. No, K value I got, right? My is equal to 0. It will be 0. No, I wrote everything in it. So that is why again we are unable to go back. 1 second.
So like how is the K is equal to 4, sir? How is it possible? Because XY's whole is 4, then the part of XY should be less than 4, right?
1 second, 1 second, 1 second. So yes. So triangle, from this triangle AMY, I just found base value, which is MY value, which is MY, isn't it? This is MY value, isn't it? K value. Look at this. Yes or no? I found that. So what is my, look at this here. Where is that? Where it has gone? From the triangle AMB, where is it? Yes, look at this. From this triangle, AX square is equal to MX square plus AM square, isn't it? So from this AM, I got 3 value,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir. So like we already found the answer, sir.
We found AM value, correct, only 3, absolutely right. So acha, as you told that 3 plus 3, there is a no yeah, here itself we can decide the answer, but your
Yes,
question
sir.
is why we are finding MY value again.
You could take XMB as a triangle, and then XB, the value is 5. And then MX, you got it as 4, right?
The
And
question
Then
is,
how did you get MX as 4, sir?
yes, sir, because I mean like if MX is MK is equal to 4 and XY is also equal to 4,
Yes,
then MK is like the same thing as XY and it's not a part of XY, right?
yeah. Which one 4? You are asking for 4, which one?
Then MK is 4, right? We got it.
MK, no, here M I took it as a midpoint. I mean like center. One minute.
No, sir, like I mean like K, sir. 4 minus K and K, sir. MY is equal to 4 minus K, right?
This M is this point here. ये होता है ना बीच वाला. M, that is
Yes,
M here.
understood, sir.
Distance between M by is K. So that
Yes,
is the
sir.
reason.
I mean like sir, if MY is equal to 4 and XY is also equal to 4, then how is this possible, sir?
No,
So
it is
I have
not.
a different way to do, sir.
Yeah, it's not possible actually. This is not required then. This is not at all required. Whatever the
Yes,
the
sir.
things I
K
wrote
part
in
is
black
not
color,
required,
this
sir.
is not at all required. This is
Yes,
not at all
sir.
required. What he is asking us to find? The length of the common chord is asking. So which means what? We need to find out the length of AB, isn't it? We need to find the length of the AB. So AM I got 3, which means like 3 plus 3 is 6. That there itself we can conclude. There is no point of finding this. There is not needed.
Yes, sir. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so if you just think that 4 and my is equal to 4 and xy is equal to 4, no, ऐसा नहीं होता है.
Select tell us something.
Yes, please, please, please.
So like we can find out the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Then we can use half BH. Then we will get the value of AM, right? Like using
By-
Heron's formula,
by-
if we find
Yeah.
find the area of that, then we can use half BH. Half into 4 into AM is equal to the area we found.
No, why do we need to go for
Then we-
Heron's formula again, find out S value? Huh?
So like because if we know the area, we can find the value of H, right? That is AM.
Yes, sir. 2H is equal to AB. So we can
So like
find
if
it
we
there.
find using Heron's formula, we find out the area of triangle AXY. So we can substitute the value, right? Half into 4 into AM into the area which we find out.
Yes, sir. Sir, that's what I said in the starting.
Yeah.
Yes, like 8, 4, 12, 6 into
Huh.
1 into 2 into 3.
Right.
It's
Here. ये जो मैंने किया ना अभी ये सही है बस. You can do in that way as well. So 3 + 3 6 हो जाएगा. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. Perpendicular bisector of AB. So मुझे पता है इधर क्या होता है, M A is equal to MB. तो मुझे पता है ये M is equal to AM is equal to MB ना, तो AM 3, तो MB भी कितना हो जाएगा 3. So 3 + 3 6 खत्म. Yes or no? Clear? Hope it is clear with everyone, boys and girls. Very good. This is a good question actually. How many have done this question, beta?
well, I have done it.
Sir, I've done it.
So next 10th question. 10th question. AD. 10th question. Where is the 10th question? Yeah. AD is the diameter of a circle, and AB is a chord. Okay. AD is 50. AB is 48. Then the distance between AB from the center of the circle. Array, AB is somewhat similar type of question, guys. How many have done this question correctly?
So I've done it.
I need
I
a.
got this one
Sir,
wrong.
I've done it.
You got this one wrong, Sujay. What about others? Guys, everyone,
Sir,
please try to respond here.
Sir, even I got the 10th one wrong.
Even you got the wrong. No problem, we'll discuss it. What is the answer you got?
Sir, 7 centimeters.
One second, leave it here.
Look at circle.
Yes, sir, 7 centimeters.
Yeah, AD is the diameter he has given. AB is a chord. AD is 50. AB is 48. Join this. And this is a center. So एक मिनट guys, yeah. क्या हो रहा है भाई? हाँ, look at this here. आपको ये सर्किल मान लो, थोड़ा बड़ा सा डालता हूँ guys. Let me draw somewhat big so that you will not confuse. हाँ, this is what he has given. AD is my circle, I mean diameter. तो AB क्या होता है? This is center. AB is what here? Chord. तो AB को कुछ भी ऐसा मान लो. AB is a chord. ठीक है? तो what is asking us to find? AB is 48 given and AD is 50 given. Is asking us the distance of AB from the center of the circle. ये मुझे ये चाहिए, ठीक है? Yes or no? ये perpendicular है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो find out करो अभी क्या होता है, देखो.
7 centimeters.
So first we have to split 50 into half and then
Hmm.
48 into half.
देखो ये
Then-
मुझे पता है ना. This
Then
will
we
be
can
equal
use
to this.
Pythagoras theorem.
This will be equal to this.
24 square, 25 square, and 7 square.
24
Pythagorean triplet.
Yeah. How many have you done this, guys?
Sir, I've done it. Sir.
I need a response from everyone. See, the people who said already, they only saying again and again. What about others?
Yeah, right, you did.
I did, sir.
So I did this one.
You only said the Sujay, you didn't get just now.
So I was talking about the previous one, not this one. This one I did.
Okay, okay, fine. तो अभी इसको क्या करेंगे, देखो मुझे चाहिए क्या लेंथ चाहिए मुझे, इसको कुछ भी मान लो, ये उसको सेंटर है, इसको कुछ भी मान लो मिड पॉइंट, मुझे चाहिए OM का डिस्टेंस, isn't it? Yes, we can do it, guys. Now how can we do this? By using Pythagoras theorem. All right, ठीक है, समझ में आ रहा है? Will you be able to do this?
Yes, sir.
Shall we go
Yes.
for the next question?
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
I don't have space to write here. Next question we have to write. Look at this. Chalo. Let me go for the next question. 11th question. A chord is a distance. 1 second. Let me take Bhargav, Harini, Jivika, Devasri, Kavya is there. Okay. Modita, Mohit, Parth Ahuja, Pranav, Kaji, Sai Ramachandra.
Yes,
Ya,
sir.
who is Yatarat Ratnam? Ratnam. Who is Ratnam?
Aditya Ayushman, sir.
Aditya Ayushman.
Yes, sir.
The names which I took now, these guys are not responding in the class.
Okay, sir. Question number 11. Answer is 30 centimeter. C.
Question number 11, the answer is what? How many have you done this? A chord is a distance. A chord is at a distance of 8 centimeters from the center of a circle radius 17 centimeters. Then the length of the chord is what? Then the length of the chord is what? Make it very
13.
simple question. Very, very simple question, guys. How many have you done? If you don't find, we'll go for this. If not, we'll go for the next question. Let us not waste much time.
The
Chalo.
next question, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Done
12th
this.
question, sir, I wasn't getting the correct answer. I just took some guess and it turned out to be correct.
Oh, acha.
3√3.
So look at this. Let me draw the diagram, and
12th.
let me 1 second. Look at this. A chord is a distance of 8 centimeter from the center. So let me take this as center. It's a chord 8 centimeter. ये distance 8 centimeter है. कुछ भी मान लो ये B is a chord here. And so radius कितना है? 17 centimeters. It's a perpendicular distance. So you can just, this is my radius here.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
OA
तो OA is equal कितना दिया है? 17.
17.
So then the length of the chord is what? I need to find out this one.
Yes,
How
sir.
can you find out? This how much? 8 centimeter
Yeah.
given. Very basic here. Very simple question. By
Yes, sir.
apply Pythagoras, we can apply that.
Yes, sir. And then we have to double it up.
That's it.
Yes, sir. We'll get
Double
30.
it. Yeah, you will get. See, let us say this is कुछ भी x. Ax value you will get. Then x के उसका double कर दो बस. ठीक है?
So could you please explain the 12th question?
12th question. Definitely. So what is the 12th question? An equilateral triangle of sides. An equilateral triangle of a side 9 centimeter inscribed in a circle. Inscribed का मतलब क्या होता है?
Sir, inside a circle.
Inside a circle. The radius of the circle क्या होता है? हाँ, देखो गाइस, इसको मुझे थोड़ा डायग्राम डालना पड़ेगा, तो बड़ा थोड़ा गाइस लेट अस 1 सेकंड, इसको डायग्राम लुक एट दिस यार. और इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल है तो एक सर्किल ले लेंगे ऐसा. इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ऐसा कुछ भी, ठीक है. तो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल ऑफ साइड 9 सेंटीमीटर इन 9 सेंटीमीटर है, ठीक है. दिस ऑल और
Yes, sir.
the radius of the circle is what? This is my center, which means this is going to be radius and this is also going to be radius. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ये this is a very beautiful question actually. ठीक है. तो let me say कुछ भी पॉइंट ले लो, इधर A ले लो और कुछ भी B ले लो, इधर C ले लो, ठीक है. दिस इज सेंटर. वो let me say O, ठीक है. Let us not write the value of this. And if you guys extend this is a midpoint A B C D, इसको D ले लो, ठीक है. D मान लो, ठीक है. He is asking us to find OB value, right? तो मुझे पता है इधर सबका साइड 999 है, ठीक है. Guys, if you what is O here? If you take
It's
triangle
the
ABC,
center.
The center.
no, with respect to circle it is a center. With respect to
Sir,
triangle,
circumcenter.
sorry, circumcenter. With respect to
Circumcenter.
yeah, with respect to circle, it is a center. With respect to triangle, it is what?
Circumcenter.
हाँ,
Circum.
O is what? Circumcenter. ठीक है? And I know that this OD is what here? OD is perpendicular to BC. ठीक है? Now look at this here, guys. I have two triangles here. What are they? देखो, this ये blue color
Right
वाली triangle,
angle.
the blue
Right
color वाला
angle.
triangle, and you know this right color right angle, I mean red color वाली triangle. तो इधर वो भी मेरा radius है, तो I need to find out that. Guys, since it's a perpendicular bisector, so this will be equal, BD will be equal to DC. Yes or no?
Yeah, so 4.5.
Yes,
4.5.
हाँ. So I can use so मुझे क्या पता चलेगा, दोनों इक्वल है तो मुझे क्या पता चलेगा, B
Congruency.
या BOD, ट्रायंगल BOD, दिस विल बी इक्वल, सब इक्वल है, तो OD से क्या है, कॉमन सेट, तो BOD विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, COD, ये तो पता है मुझे.
Yes, sir.
हाँ guys, look at this here. We know one
Okay, sir. Yeah, it'll be equal to 120 degrees.
property. What is the property?
Sir, angle
Angle
subtended by an arc at the center is double.
At the center is double. देखो, ये मुझे at the center का क्या है? What is center? BOC. ठीक है, BOC कितना?
120 degrees.
2 times of what? Double. 2
Two
times of what?
BAC.
Angle A.
BAC.
Angle
Angle A.
ABC. Sir, BAC.
BAC. तो BAC कितना? तो इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल तो 60 होता है each
60
side.
degrees.
So 2 into 60, तो which is going to be 120 degrees. ये होगा मेरा BOC. ठीक है, तो BOC इधर क्या है? Angle. What I need to find out here? What I need to find out? I need to find out radius of the circle, OB, isn't it? हाँ.
Yes, sir.
इधर BOC is what? मुझे पता है BOD is equal to COD, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
BOD is equal to COD. So from which property? Angle subtended by an arc. Angle subtended by an arc at the center of a circle is double the angle subtended by at any point in the remaining part of the circle. That is what we have learned, isn't it? हाँ. तो 2 times of ये, तो मुझे क्या पता चलेगा इधर? So what is BAC?
So 90
What is angle
degrees.
BAC?
Sir, 60 degrees.
60 degrees, right?
Yeah, sir.
And I know that here, look at this here. अरे यार, खत्म, क्वेश्चन खत्म. देखो, मेरे पास BD है, ठीक है? BD is what now? BD is what? 3 बेटा, not 3. Sorry, 9 में कितना? 4.5. Sorry.
4.5.
BD is equal DC and total ये कितना है? BC कितना है? 9 है ना? तो 9 है, तो कितना होगा? BD कितना होगा? BD is equal to 9/2. इसको डायरेक्ट लिख दूंगा भाई, 4.5. ठीक है, तो BD कितना? 4.5.
Sir, but BDC is a 90 degrees and but BDO is a 90 degree, right? But BOD is not 90 degree.
Sorry?
So like you are saying
No.
BDO is a
You are right. Yes. BD पे 90 होता है. हाँ, देखो, and इधर क्या? I need to find out. Look at this. I got now BD का value. BD का value I got.
So how do we know it?
Perpendicular. देखो बेटा, ये है ना, ये this is my equilateral triangle, right?
Oh yeah, okay, yeah, yes, I forgot
It's
this.
a equilateral triangle.
Yes.
वही दिया है.
Yes.
He has given that. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद क्या करना चाहिए मुझे? अभी ले लो, कुछ भी ट्रायंगल ले लो इधर. इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल है, ट्रायंगल B. I need to find BO value और OB value, right? ट्रायंगल BOD ले लेंगे हम लोग, ठीक है? ट्रायंगल BOD ले लेंगे तो मुझे क्या, which trigonometric thing I can apply? मेरे पास BD है बेटा, कितना? 4.5 है, और else simply you can write as 4.5. ठीक है, I have BD value. So where is D, right? BD. Look at this here. This is my angle here. What is sine theta here? What is sine theta? I mean,
They're opposite by
Opposite by
hypotenuse.
hypotenuse.
opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite
Like
क्या है?
OD
Theta.
by
No, 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 BD.
OD
ये
by
angle,
OB.
angle इधर है, तो BD कितना 4.5 divided by OB, hypotenuse OB. ठीक है? तो this is what I got now. So अच्छा sin theta कितना 60 है ना? 60 angle 60 right? Sin 60 how
Yes,
much?
sir.
Root 3 by 2. So 4.5 is equal to OB. तो बेटा देखो OB कितना
Cross
चलेगा इधर?
multiply. Okay.
तो 9 by root 3 which मतलब 9 by root 3 तो OB is equal to
3
9
by
3 into 3 3 can witness root 3 into root 3 by root 3 so 3 root 3 beta.
yes, sir. 3 root 3 is also.
Very good question, beautiful question actually. How many have you
For
done?
this we have to use trigonometric way.
Trigonometry actually. Yeah, you need to use trigonometry.
Sir, I didn't know the answer. I just guessed the answer in the book.
You just guess the answer. No problem, no problem, no problem. It's just somewhat advanced question only. Okay, but still you learned, right?
I just kept the 3 root 3. It is similar something I can say like that.
Okay, but you look at this here, no problem.
Sir, isn't this 11th class questions?
No,
mean,
not
this
11th
one.
class. No,
No,
11th
sir,
class.
10th class.
11th class will not be having. It is kind of 10th class.
10th class, right?
Yeah, it is a somewhat 10th class. Yeah, but still. Trigonometry will be 10th class. No, don't worry. So this is advanced. This has been given in your 9th class MCQs. No problem. But you learned something, right? It's an interesting, good question. Okay, clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The region between
Yes,
the
sir.
chord and either of the arc is called as what?
Sector.
How many have you done the 13th one? 13th one is a very simple question. Segment, not sector.
Sir, me.
Me,
The
sir.
region between the chord
So me, sir.
and either of the arc. Segment.
Sir, me. I've done it.
Guys, try to understand the difference between. I told the definition. If you go for that, you will understand that. Okay. Chalo, next question. Hope it is clear. Next, 14th
Sir,
one.
next one is
Angle.
90 degrees.
Angle inscribed in
So 90.
Sir,
in a
90.
semicircle.
So 90 degrees.
90 degrees, sir. It's same as subtended.
देखो भाई ये
Sir,
angle
this is
inscribed.
actually a property in my syllabus.
Which one? 14th one?
Yes, sir.
90 very simple है. तो greatest god of the circle ये तो हमने बचपन से 1947 से पढ़ते हैं.
Diameter.
Diameter. Isn't it? We have been learning this in from 1947. ये तो सबको पता है. So the segment of a circle, guys, people, are you able to understand others?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, are you able to
Yes, sir.
participating
Understood, sir.
in the class mentally? हाँ फिजिकली प्रेजेंट होता है,
Yes,
बच्चों ने
sir.
मेंटली absent होता है, तो मेंटली प्रेजेंट होना चाहिए इधर. ठीक है, एवरीवन शुड मेंटली प्रेजेंट हियर. आ रहा है, समझ में आ रहा है? हाँ, गुड 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 गुड. नेक्स्ट, सेगमेंट ऑफ अ सर्किल इज द रीजन बिटवीन एन आर्क. सेगमेंट ऑफ अ सर्किल, ध्यान से पढ़िए क्वेश्चन को, लैंग्वेज ऑफ द क्वेश्चन अंडरस्टैंड, प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. सेगमेंट ऑफ अ सर्किल is the region between an arc and dash of the circle.
Chord.
Hmm?
Chord, sir, chord.
I'm sorry. Yes, chord. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and chord of the circle. ठीक है? Between an arc and chord. ठीक है? Yes. Next, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना डायग्राम? देखो, हाँ, two equal chords AB and CD of a circle are such that the length of the perpendicular OE on CD is equal to 5 centimeters. If OF is a perpendicular on AB, then OF is equal to what? How many have you done this question? How many have you done this question? बताइए जल्दी से, कितना आंसर कितना?
Yes, sir. 1 minute. Let me just
अरे
check.
direct property. What is property we can use here? Equal chords of a
Equal
circle are
chords of-
equidistant
okay.
from the center.
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Sir, 5 centimeters, sir.
हाँ.
5.
So 5 centimeters, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
OE तो 5 दिया है, तो OA भी 5 हो जाएगा. 5 centimeters direct answer. Isn't it? Are you able to imagine the situation
Yes,
here?
sir.
Are you guys able to imagine the situation?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
प्लीज अप्लाई द प्रॉपर्टीज। मुझे उसीलिए मैंने आपको प्रॉपर्टीज सब क्या बोलता है, आपको प्रॉपर्टीज एकदम आने चाहिए एंड अप्लाई करना भी आना चाहिए, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, number of circles that can be drawn through the three non-collinear points.
Only one, sir. Only
Collinear
one.
Only
is
one circle,
Sir,
sir.
what do you mean non-collinear points?
देखो collinear का
Not
मतलब
like
होता
on
है,
same
देखो
line.
for suppose I told already point A B C all these points are lying on the same line which means collinear, ठीक है। non collinear मतलब इधर 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 है, तो ये how can I draw in the same line, isn't it?
Yes,
Or
sir.
no? If people are sitting in the same line, the streamline, that is a collinear points. If they are not sitting on the same line, there is a non-collinear. Very simple.
So only one can be drawn through 3 points, 3 non-collinear points.
Exactly. One circle can be drawn through. So देखो इधर से एक ही circle ड्रा करते हैं ना, yes or no?
Yeah, sir.
Non-collinear, right? So
Sir,
here,
unless we can overlap it.
yeah, एक ही तो सर्किल ड्रा करता है मैंने, ठीक है, करता हूँ। सो 19 प्रॉब्लम देखो, टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल, व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल?
Circle with different radius on the same points.
या सेंटर सेम होता है, डिफरेंट रेडियस होता है, उसका मतलब होता है सेम सेंटर बट डिफरेंट रेडियस। कॉन्सेंट्रिक का सर्किल मतलब देखो इधर दिया है, टू सर्किल्स लाइंग इनसाइड सेम सेंटर, इसका रेडियस डिफरेंट, इसका रेडियस डिफरेंट, ठीक है। दैट इज व्हाट द कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्किल इज ऑल अबाउट। आर
So it will be D
intersected by the line L, okay, that ABCD क्या होता है?
So the points.
Which AB, what is the, then what is saying here, AB greater than CD?
AB is equal to CD,
greater
sir.
than अरे भाई AB is equal to
So
CD
AB
है, तो
equal to
AB is equal to CD,
CD.
of course D answer. Any doubts? AB is equal to CD.
No doubt, sir.
Why it is AB is equal to CD? Any one of you?
So
So
because the
because,
distance
like-
between circle two circle is same, sir.
Yeah, distance between two.
Yes, sir.
Circle is same.
Yes,
Concentric circle, sir. That's all.
concentric circle. तो सेंटर सेम ही है, तो ऐसे ही होता है फिर। The center of a circle, I mean the radius of a circle which has 6 centimeter long chord, देखो यह है, ओह दिस नॉट सर्किल, ये हो गया अंडा, हाँ ठीक है। रेडियस ऑफ अ सर्किल which has 6 centimeter
I
long.
guess
5
O-
centimeters, sir. 5 centimeters.
Sorry Sujay, you are saying something?
Nothing, sir.
हाँ, how many have done this question correctly?
So me, sir. Say it's 5 centimeters.
Sir, me, sir.
Very good. Look at this, ये क्या दिया है, सेंटर दिया है इधर, ये देखो, ले लो सेंटर ले लो,
So it will be
हाँ।
3 square plus 2 square. Simple.
और कुछ भी ले लो, let's say that
4
this is
square.
XY. This is how much?
Yeah,
This is
4 square.
perpendicular
Sorry.
distance. He has 6 centimeter long chord, तो perpendicular ये 3 हो जाएगा, ये 3 हो जाएगा, very simple.
Yes,
ये
sir.
4, तो ज्वाइन करो इधर। मुझे क्या चाहिए?
5 centimeters.
सेंटर फ्रॉम द
Five.
सर्किल क्या चाहिए? द रेडियस OX
Radius.
चाहिए। कितना सिंपल है भाई, तो 16 minus 9 सॉरी OX, तो कितना
16 plus
16
9,
plus 9
25.
तो
16
25.
plus 9.
So
25.
25.
T4 and
Square root of
5 are
25 is what?
25.
Pythagoras theorem guys, here OX square is equal to, इधर कुछ भी पॉइंट मान लो m, तो mx square, people
Plus
everyone
MO
should
square.
understand, very good here, is equal to mx square plus om square, ठीक है। ox square is equal to 16, 4 square 16, 3 square 9, तो ox is equal to square root of 25 which gives you 5 centimeter। खत्म। इसमें इजी क्वेश्चंस भी है, एवरेज क्वेश्चंस भी है, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस भी है, तो फुल पैकेज ऑफ द पेपर, फुल पैक्ड पेपर आपको ऐसी वाली देखो, यू नीड टू सॉल्व दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस गाइस, सो आई चूज दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आई गिव, ठीक है। सो आर यू गाइस getting an interest here to
Yeah, sir.
very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Sir,
But-
the paper was good, nice.
Nice.
Only one question was a bit difficult, but the other ones
Yes,
were very
yes, for that question you need to know that trigonometry part, okay.
Yes, sir.
So okay, no problem, but you learned from that, right? No problem. So 19 questions will be going to be 19 questions are going to be counted. I'll be posting the result today, so okay, no problem beta. So मुझे class है अभी at 6:15, so let me leave 1 minute before so that I could join early for that class. Thank you, have a nice day. And Harini is not responding in the class. Ratnam, I don't know who is Ratnam. Please respond in the class. Modita, Khaji, Mohit, Jeevika, Bhargav, Pranav. These people has to respond in the class. ठीक है? All right. Thank you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir. Bye,
Bye,
sir.
I'll share these notes. I'll share this discussion so that you also one second. Yes, you can leave the class.
So actually, I'm not feeling well, sir.